Hi guys! Hey, we're going to be traveling, and so I thought I'd show you something cool. This is the Perfect palette from Mary Kay, and it's got a magnetic bottom, and so I can take just my favorite colors with me when I travel in this little case. So I'm going to select, as I showed you in the last video, you can use contours as eyeshadow, so that is a saver when you're traveling. So I'm going to pop my little latte contour right in there. Okay, and then I also need my blush. So blush show. This is Shy Blush, my favorite blush color. I'm gonna put it right next to my contour there. So I've got those two ready to go. I'm gonna take Biscotti because this is, for me, a really great neutral I put all over my lid before I apply eyeshadow. So I'm gonna pop Biscotti right in there. And I'm gonna also take Crystalline because this is my little highlight color I put in the corner and up under my brow bone. So pop Crystalline right in there too. And, ooh, I have so many options, right? I can fit a lot of stuff in here. So I'm gonna also take a really neutral purple that I love. And so this is Soft Heather, good name, right? I'm gonna pop that in there. I wear that one a lot. Then I'm gonna take Mahogany. This is a dark brown, almost a purpley brown, and it's real pretty like as an eyeliner. I use it as an eyeliner. Rustic, which is a brown with a little bit of shimmer in it. And I'm gonna take a gold, so Gold Status. So I love these palettes. There's one that also holds 4 colors. And then there's the Pro palette, which is the one you always see me using. It holds a ton. So this helps me to travel light. I have everything I need in there. Close it up. It fits right inside my little makeup bag. All right, y'all have a great day.